What's up guys, it's me, Sean. And so a few weeks ago I built my very first PC. Look at this pretty thing. With help from my friends Paul and Jordy. Building the PC itself was so much fun and I learned a lot, saying I know nothing about PC and my technical knowledge is terrible. Literally, I struggled a lot. Here is me building my PC and then also a very little tour of my stream setup because I am starting to stream now. Head over to twitch.tv/itmesean, mainly focused on Switch stuff. Drop by, have a fun time. Also, don't forget to subscribe, share, and like this video. Don't forget to check the description down below for all my personal links, my Instagram, Twitter to keep up with me, Discord as well. Thank you so much to everyone that helped me. I hope you enjoyed the video, and I'll see you next time. Yeah.
What follows is a brief construction montage. We hope you enjoyed this brief construction montage.